Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an authentication vulnerability in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is password reset poisoning via middleware. Carlos will click on any emails that he receives. We need to solve the lab by logging into Carlos's account. We have our own credentials. All right. Let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate that. Are we supposed to have like an email server? Ah, there we go. Actually, let me copy. So we have both an exploit server and an email. And let's open up access log too. Let's get them all open. All right. We have all that. Now, let's see about how this works. It sounds like it's in the forgot password. So let's try that first. Enter your username or email. Wiener. Submit. Check. Okay, we receive a link with a pretty strong temp password. Let's click on this, or let's follow this and see what happens. Peter, just so I don't forget it. All right, let's see what we have here. Boom, we get that. We got that. And we got the submit. We got a post. Username. I don't see anything interesting there. There's that temp password. There's where the token is put. And it's part of the URL. So can we capture that here? And then we posted temp, new password. We don't have a username anywhere there. So here's what I think. What if we did this one and tried to mess up the email that gets sent? So let's send this to repeater. And let's try blah at blah.com. Client forbidden. Let's try burp. Where's my collaborator. Huh. This is all new. This must have been upgraded. Interesting. And look, we have tabs. That's interesting. All right, here. Where do I want to go? I want to go here. I want to try to put that here. Forbidden. Okay. Let's put that back to where it was. I should have sent it straight first, but whatever. Let's send this. Make sure we get another one. Or that we only have the one, which is here. I mean, two now. Okay. Let's see. What else can we do? Origin. Let's check that one. All three of those are looking right. Let's try refer. That one looks right. All four of those look good. Dang. So the host didn't work, right? Please check your email for a password link. Client error forbidden. Okay. I'm a little stuck now. I'm not sure what to do. We need to somehow get this token. And see how the token is random each time? That is not going to help us. Will carelessly click on any emails that he receives. So it sounds like this is where we should be, like we're doing it correctly by trying to poison that email. Via middleware. Let's look at here. If the URL and reset email is this may reset poisoning it. That's what we want. So if the URL in the reset email is generated, we need to change this to Carlos, right? But we also need to somehow test it against ourselves first. All right, I'm going to pause the video and come back when I've figured something out. Okay, so I found it. It's X forwarded host. To find it, I did some active scans on this post and was able to see that right here, this is flow. So I was looking through the logs that these three were sent: X forwarded host, X forwarded server. And then I took those, went to repeater and tried them one by one. And X forwarded host, when I send that, I get, you can see H2 KML. So sweet. That's how we're gonna reset the password for Carlos. Send him a link with the exploit server URL in the X forwarded host, so that when he clicks it, we can capture his token and then log in as him. Once we have that reset token, we'll set his password and log in as Carlos. And I think that's all we have to do. Can log into any email sent is coming. Solve lab login to Carlos's account. Okay. So let's start our script, which will be this. And we need here Python utils create script this. Dang it. Vim. What is it called? Password reset poisoning via middleware. All right. So what I said was we're going to Boom, send password reset for Carlos with X forwarded host set to the exploit server. Then capture the reset token from the exploit server. Use reset token to reset the password of Carlos, and then log in as Carlos. Check if solved. Sweet, that's what we're gonna do. So number one, send password reset. So this, we gotta send this with Carlos here. So forgot password. If blog.no proxy, we're going to do requests.post, which will be blog.base URL plus / forgot password / forgot - password. And then data will just be username wiener. So data equals data. Now, I don't think we need a session. We can, oh no. We definitely don't. We need to include that header, but if I send this, we should get a brand new one. We can make this obvious with blah.com send and go to here, reset or refresh. There's blah.com. Okay. We need headers equals headers. That should be it. Else requests proxies equals utils.proxies and verify equals false, like that. Here we need data equals, is it username? Yeah, username Carlos headers equals need X forwarded host, X forwarded host. And here we need the exploit URL. And so we need to make sure we get that. I think we can just do get exploit URL in site exploit get exploit URL, and that'll return it. So here we can do exploit URL equals blog.get exploit URL. Okay, good. We don't need the response because this isn't going to tell us anything. So one is done. That's that one. Done. Capture reset token from the exploit URL. So when we go to here and this log, where's that? Yeah, right here. Let's see if there's anything else here. Don't need that open. I'm going to close this one because we have it. I'm going to close this one. I'm going to leave this open. This will be the one that we use and not this one. Oh, we got a ton. Okay, but it's all me. We want, we're going to, when they click, I keep starting the sentence and not finishing it. We're going to look for forgot-password we have in one of these scripts grep-r exploit in the offline password cracker. Offline password cracker. Right here, we're going to start with this. RE compile. So this does and anything. And then a question mark. We want right here. What did I say we want? Forgot dash password. I forgot dash password. And that's a /, right? /, yep. Oh, forgot dash password. Temp dash forgot dash password. Let me add this. Copy. So this is the raw, so it looks like we have a carriage return there. So we can just do the same thing we did before, which was, I need a question mark. Boom. There. X. I think the $sign. I think that's going to work. Import RE. Let's see. Find all. That's cool. And then we'll do something like this. Find all in resp.text. Oh, because we need to get the exploit right there. Boom. And this will be password token. Password token. Okay, let's see log.debug password token. Let's sleep a second between doing, like, sending the password reset and checking the log. So right here, time.sleep 1 import time. And let's add some logs. So log.info sending password reset request. Log.info capturing reset token from exploit logs. All right, let's try that. Boom. Dang, we did not get it. So let's look at, not this one, this one. Refresh this. Why don't we have anything here? Let's go to our proxy. Not that one. We want this one. Host header not present. Uh-oh. Something. This is the one we sent with Python. X forwarded dash host. Oh, look at this. That's the problem. We need just the netlock of that. So, right here, we can do import URL lib.parse. And then when we get that parsed equals URL lib.parse exploit URL. And then here we'll do parsed.netlock. Parsed.netlock. Okay. Module. Where was it? URL lib. I have something wrong there. Well, obviously. Chrome. Let's do URL lib dot parse. And then it's got to be like parse URL, right? URL parse. Dang it. So from, let's change this. Change word from import URL parse. And then here, we're going to do URL parse. There we go. Let's try that. Did not capture the password, but let's see. That worked. When we got the log, that worked. Let's look at the log. Refresh. And it should be at the bottom. It's right there. So, got this. Oh, it's not at the end. It's a space. That's the problem. So here, there. Okay. Boom. There we go. That should be the token. So that means capture reset token is done. Use reset token to reset the password. So that's this request. We need it in the URL and down here, send a repeater. Well, we don't. Whatever. We can do that. So URL equals blog.base URL plus this. No, this. Copy. Plus password token. That's the URL. Do we need, and then we'll set up data. I don't think we need anything else. We'll try it without anything else. So data equals dictionary. And we need this. Password token. We need new password 1 and new password 2. Let's set it to Peter, just so I can remember it. And new password 2, Peter. And again, in quotes. Okay. That looks good. We don't need anything in the headers. I don't think so. So we just need to send that request. And we're going to do this. We already defined the URL. We don't need headers. Okay. Do we need to save the response. I want to go here, proxy. No. Response, we don't want to follow. It shouldn't matter because that's just going to go to the home page. And then we can use reset. So that's resetting it. Now we can log in. So blog.login. Carlos. I really should have done this. Set a variable here. New password equals Peter. And then instead of doing Peter, DT, comma, new password, DT, comma, new password, and then here, new password, blog.is solved. All right, let's see what errors we create with that one. We got the token. Successfully logged in. Lab is solved. Woo woo. Home. Let's get that banner. Very cool. So we bypassed found a vulnerability in the authentication process, and that was that it trusted the X forwarded host. We can see that here. Maybe here, X forwarded host. If whatever we put there, it used to create the email that was sent to the user. And then we pointed that to a domain that we control and reset the password for Carlos. So that when Carlos clicked on it, the email token, this part, was sent to our server, and then we use that to reset the password of Carlos and then log in as him. Very cool. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.